Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at RIP version 2. Specifically within RIP version 2, we're going to be taking a look at RIP version 2 updates. So we all know that RIP version 2 sends updates to multicast address of 224.0.0.9 by default. Now legacy RIP, or RIP version 1, is going to broadcast its updates to its peers. So as you can see here, we have two different types of updates already that we're dealing with. The default for RIP version 2 is multicast to the 224.0.0.9 IP address, and RIP version 1 is going to broadcast its updates out. Now there's another type of update ways that we can pass updates between RIP version 2 neighbors, and that's by Unicast. So let's go ahead and just put all the types down here. So we have multicast, we have broadcast, and that's the RIP version 1 default. And then we also have another option we can do, which is Unicast. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to be taking a look at those types of how to get RIP version 2 updates to our neighbors. And we're also going to take a look at possibly doing a feature to where in a lab or a test, you get an option to advertise a network into RIP, but to not use the network command. So what we're going to do here, we'll have a couple networks on router 1. So we'll have loopback 0 will be 10.0.0.0/24, and then we'll also have a loopback 0 on router 2. And this network will be 20.0.0.0/24. We're going to advertise these networks into RIP, and what we're going to do now, we're just going to be taking a look at the default behavior of RIP if we enable RIP on a broadcast network type. And we're going to take a look and see the default type of RIP version 2 update. So we should see it sending updates on this multicast address of 224.0.0.9. So give me a second here. I'm going to go ahead and get the default configuration in these two routers set up. As you can see, these routers are going to be on the segment, the 12 network. So 192.168.12.0/24. Okay, so now that I have the two routers up here, let's go ahead and get into router 1. And we'll go ahead and set up the interface to router 2 here, which is fast Ethernet 00. Give it 192.168.12.1 IP address. Go ahead and do a no shut there. Then on router 2, we'll do the same thing. Interface pointing to router 1. We'll get into it, give it the IP address of 192.168.12.2/24, no shut. And then while we're on router 2, let's go ahead into loopback 0, and we'll do a 20.0.0.1/24. And then we'll go ahead and configure router 1's loopback 0 interface, which is going to be 10.0.0.1/24. Okay, let's verify we have reachability across the fast Ethernet connection here. So 192.168.12.1 is going to be from router 2 to router 1. And we have connectivity here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get RIP configured. And what we'll do is we'll just do a debug IP RIP. And